Hello.
This is the Trisci. Yes.
Hello, I'm Astro Planes.
I am great, Sir Zachary.
And Atomic Water working the camera.
Hail, Atomicwaterstudios.
Yes, hail.
We are going to be talking about Mars.
Yay!
Should we colonize it?
Or
the
not.
answer is
Yes. Now, moving on.
Next subject. How do we colonize it?
We need the money to fund it.
Screw the money. We have Mars.
Eh.
Wait. That didn't come out right.
Of course not.
The point being, forget the money. Assuming we had unlimited amounts of money.
Which
or
we
a lot
don't.
of money. A lot of money.
Everyone always has to bitch about money.
We would probably...
Already be there.
Yes! Assuming we suddenly came to a large sum of money, atomic, we would... There's a private company called Mars One, and they want to send little compartments to Mars, a little living space, where a person will live on Mars for an indefinite amount of time.
Woo!
We're not bringing him back.
Years?
We're not going to bring him back.
So we're gonna leave him there to die?
No, we're not going to leave him there to die.
Remember, people who are traveling through space have to have the correct psyche to not go insane.
Exactly.
And
Well,
be
then
in a small compartment.
wait. Well, in response to that, if they don't have the mental psyche, they'll just die in space. So, you know.
And that will be a waste.
And I
They
know
can
I'm-
kill their
$100
crew
billion
members.
project.
They could kill their crew members. There was one such case where an astronaut almost killed one of his own crew members.
Why?
Space.
And remember, if you
Space.
put girls with guys, remember, if there are guys on there...
Like
they
Mass Effect.
They
Oh yes,
may-
actually, that's
they may
a...
want to rape them.
No,
Eh.
not rape.
Well, if they go insane...
Girls on there can handle incredible G-forces. They'll be alright. The point being that on Mars, the idea is Mars One wants to send a bunch of compartments, and they all connect to each other. They expand with, they inflate a bit to increase the space they have. And then, over time, you build that up. And while they're there, they're terraforming Mars and making it more livable. So eventually, you can expect, like, a city of these, and an atmosphere, and all those lovely things.
I don't even think we dipped our foot into terraforming yet.
Well, of course we didn't. We just have rovers on it, so nothing much.
We never really tried terraforming another planet.
We've never
scale first, and then
We've never even gone up there and melted some of the water yet, so
We could.
we could if we wanted
we
to.
could totally,
well, first
terraform.
we're curious, and then we find out what we're working with, and then we build off from there.
Well, it's a
humans-
giant red planet, so
humans terraform all the time. We do it indirectly. We do it accidentally.
no, we don't. We're cutting down the tree forest. I mean,
That's
rainforest.
terraforming. You're controlling and changing the environment.
Not for the better.
I thought terraforming was when you take something from nothing and make something.
You make it Earth-like. That's what it means. To form into Earth. The idea is that you go there and you make it more Earth-like. We change our environments all the time. It's just doing it on another planet. We could
definitely do it. It's just we don't have the
idea
money.
is Mars hits the two extremes. It's like a planet-wide desert. Imagine Tatooine, with only one sun. You get blazing hot in the day and freezing cold the night. Mars has a horrible atmosphere.
Yeah.
Almost nothing there. It has something to do with its magnetic field, which is something we haven't solved yet, but we can solve the atmosphere problem. There's tons, as far as we are able to ascertain, there are tons of CO2 trapped in the ice. We can melt that ice, get ourselves fuel from the hydrogen, drinking water, and an atmosphere to keep us, to insulate us.
If there's enough atmosphere in the ice, per se.
Remember,
there's
if
probably
we're melting,
plenty.
melting the ice, how are we supposed to get all the CO2 out of the water?
Melt it.
No. When you melt it, it's released. It's like air, like an air bubble in the ice. It's trapped in there.
Then how do we know if that's pure water? Couldn't it just be like
We don't.
contaminated
Well,
water?
we don't know entirely, but we have
That's
all
why we
sorts
can
of
purify it.
instruments that are able to tell us what's in water or what's in an object without actually having to touching it. You got spectrometers. We got several rovers on there that have studied the general environment.
Why not colonize Titan?
That's far away.
Titan, I think, is a great candidate for being colonized.
Because the constant pushing and pulling of Jupiter and the planet creates
the
like
problem
lots and
is-
lots of heat.
We get lots of heat
It's getting-
indirectly.
Titan is way, way far away compared to Mars. Mars is closer and
Yeah.
it's already has more of a setup for us to work with.
Yeah.
We know more about it. Titan is like the next project after
Next big step.
Did you know Jupiter receives more, produces more heat than it receives from the sun?
Well, yeah, because of its distance and all the gases.
Yep.
Alright. We're running out of time?
Yeah.
How much time?
We're at 5-minute mark.
Oh. Bye!
Well, yep, that's it.
Alright. Bye.